up everybody? Belvista Studios here. We're on an excursion looking for graffiti in the city, and we have a competition going, so whoever of the team gets the most graffiti spotted will win. Well, maybe they won't win because there's a bonus and we need your help for the bonus. The person that has the best reflection on how they would use it as inspiration for the solutions that we create, you guys get to vote on that and they get lunch on Belvista Studios. So vote for me. No, Alright, so we'll take some photos, use it for design inspiration, problems you want to solve, communication, messaging, all that jazz. And yeah, enjoy the excursion with us. Start with you, Hannah, at the back there.
So I noticed the colours. I feel like depending on the painting or the art that we saw, the colours made you feel something different. So if they're like bright, you felt like more happy. If they were darker, it might be like more serious. So just wondering how we could use that for our topics. When it was unique or different, so if I didn't quite understand what it was, I was more curious. So I spent more time like looking at it and figuring it out. So I think that could be a good way to capture attention. Using illustrations to tell a story rather than long paragraphs of text. I think that's something that we could do more of. And also blending in with the environment. So there was a few art pieces that had like vines and things as well that were like part of the art, but also thinking about how nature like connects with the art. I think it makes me think about how you can make things blend. So with Rise, rather than having the blocks, like how can you make it all one long image and have everything work well together? And that is it for me.
You could vote for Hannah, or maybe you want to hear what Vic has to say.
So I was inspired by, there were like lots of little Polaroid stickers that had been stuck like on things randomly, and it just made me think of how you can use different frames when putting images into a module. So if it is like a little Polaroid frame or just something cool that you can like put on an image, so it's not just an image on like a white screen. That's it.
I like it. So mine is, how can you get the message across without using any text at all? So how can you just visually represent something where someone can make their own meaning or their association from it, and then go do something as a reflection, as a something afterwards, whatever that is. Just want to see what the team are reacting to that. So if you think about that little like the squiggle one, I want to use that for like an induction where you zoom in on the little bits, and then you guys are so distracting. Where you like zoom in on little bits of the storytelling and then it pans around and then draws out to show the big picture. And I think, how can we use symbols or strokes or line drawings to represent a story? What's up, awesome human? Thank you on behalf of myself and the Belvista Studios team for continuously choosing to learn with us. We really appreciate it. If the tips and the insights and the context resonate with you and you want to take your skills to the next level, or you want to make your life way easier, you will love our Creator Hub. The Creator Hub is a place for people like you and us. Basically, it's the stuff that we use internally at Belvista Studios, and then we just share it publicly with you. The Creator Hub is created by instructional designers for instructional designers, and what you'll love there at the moment is we've got a quiz, Could I Be a Better Instructional Designer, that has so much tips in the feedback if you're interested in human-centered design or just taking your skills to the next level in terms of the solutions you're creating and the problems you want to solve. But in there as well, aren't we cute? That's us. But we've got the coaching courses, freebies, give us gratitude, and also we've got some templates. And basically they're always around the lens of learning experience design, instructional design, and e-learning. So a human-centered design focus is very much what we're about at Belvista Studios. So putting your learners at the heart of a solution and creating something for their needs. So there's the human-centered design stuff, and then we've also got the business stuff. So this is the stuff they don't teach you about when you want to become a freelancer or a consultant in the instructional design world. So go check it out. The link is in the description. You can check out everything that is available for you. Thank you for choosing to learn with us. Continuously invest in your skills. You will be rewarded as an instructional designer. Share this stuff, share it with other people, because when we are better instructional designers, we create better solutions that create better humans, that create a better world. So we have a very important role, and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. Have an awesome day.